Hey guys, I am Aishwarya and in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 lipsticks which can act as a pinky nude, which are actually pinky nudes for different skin tones. On my skin tone, all of those are not really nudes, but 2 of those are nudes on my skin tone, but I have got everything for every skin tone, so without wasting any time, let's begin. I'm going to be shooting everything in the sunlight and this is what I look like at around 3:30. And this is what I look like in the sunlight. My skin ranges more on the neutral spectrum and it's slightly towards the yellow side, but it's more on the neutral side compared. One more thing, my skin also has a little bit of pink in it, but this is what I look like in sunlight, so you can get the shade reference. So the first lipstick which I have, and this is the only most expensive lipstick which I have, and this is for I think $16. It's from Kylie Cosmetics. It is the Posie K. Now this is what this lipstick looks like. It wears for a very long time and there's no way that this is going to come off until and unless you use oil-based cleanser, and even then it is going to leave stain, especially it's going to go into the cracks of your lips. So something which I would recommend is use this on top of something because this is really strong, and if you are looking for something which is really strong but I think like it exaggerates the fine lines on my lips, but I really like this shade and I layer it on top of a cream lipstick, and that's how I wear all my liquid lipsticks. It's got one swipe pigment, and if you're gonna put this on and if you're gonna try and layer this on, it might not look very pretty, but it is gonna turn a little bit patchy because it is a liquid lipstick, but it looks really pretty. I mean, the color is really nice. If you're someone on my skin tone, or if you're someone who's lighter than me, this is gonna be a really nice pinky nude for you. If you're someone who's deeper than my skin tone, then in that case it might wash you out, but you have to be at least like 5 to 10 shades deeper than my skin tone. Only then this will wash you out. Otherwise this would be a great topper sort of a thing. You can put this over here and then you can lighten any other lipstick which you have. It is not sticky and it has a really nice fragrance, a vanilla sort of a fragrance, and it's quite strong, but it goes away once you have applied this. After like 5-10 minutes it just goes away, so it's not really going to irritate you at all. When applied without lip balm, it might cling on to the dry patches onto your lips if you're not really exfoliated those. So I would suggest you to first exfoliate your lips and then apply some lip balm and then go on top of your lips with this lipstick, because it's going to look really pretty, but you have to prep your lips just like with any other liquid lipstick. When used as a blush on top of a foundation, sometimes it tends to be a problem to blend because this is a liquid lipstick and the moment you put it on, it dries. So when you put it, so make sure that you're just blending it again and again and blending it continuously. Otherwise, if it stays put like a dot, then it is going to ruin your base makeup. If you're going to put this on top of your skin, then you can easily blend it with a lotion or Vaseline and it's going to be easy for you. The next lipstick I have with me is the Lakme 925 blush. This is in the shade Blush Velvet, and it's a pink mauvey sort of a color which would act as a pinky nude for my skin tone. If you're even 2 to 5 shades darker than me, this would be your muted pink sort of a color. It looks on websites, the representation is absolutely wrong, so don't go by that representation, but this acts as your very nice nude color, pinky nude color, and it would look great on a variety of skin tone. If you're someone who's really fairer than me, and even if you're someone who's like 5 shades deeper than my skin tone, this would suit you really well. But if you're someone who's deeper than that, this would wash you out in that case. Next I have again the same lipstick, the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color, and it is in the shade Coffee Light. This is a coffee color which is, the base is purple and it's mixed in with browns, and for me it's not a nude, it's a very purpley sort of a shade from my skin tone, and even if you're someone who's lighter than me, it is going to be of that sort of neon your skin tone. But if you're someone who's deeper than me and any skin tone which is deeper than me, this would be the perfect nude for your lips. And if you have brown lips, if you have purple lips, this is going to be your perfect nude and it's going to suit you, and this is the best pinky nude you can find. Also with the formulation is really nice. Like these lipsticks blend like a dream on top of a blush and on top of your bare skin also. So this is really nice in both of those cases. I have made a detailed video on these two, which you can watch over here on the I button. So the next lipstick I have, which is only gonna suit someone who's maybe 5 shades fairer than me, because this doesn't suit me, it doesn't look nice on me. This is the Matte Me lipstick by In Color in the shade 425. The formulation is nice and comfortable. It doesn't really go into your fine lines and cracked lips. Very long lasting, so I would still recommend you to wear a lip balm underneath and exfoliate your lips before and after wearing this, because it looks really nice, especially the formulation. You can definitely find a lot of colors in this range on Nike or I think other websites. I have not really tried this as a blush, but because of the same reason that it might look patchy, but under my lips I applied mixed in with a little bit of Vaseline and it looks really nice. Now the last lipstick which I have is this. This is the Bella Voste lip crayon in the shade 01 Rose Crush, And this is a perfect nude for my lips. And if you're someone again who's like 5 to 6 shades darker than me, this would suit you. If you're someone who's lighter than me, even in that case, this is gonna be your perfect pinky nude sort of a color. The formulation of this is creamy, just like a lip crayon, and you don't even have to sharpen it, you just have to roll it up. So it's really easy, and it stays put for like 5 to 6 hours, not more than that. And it does come off. It is not transfer proof. Only these two lipsticks in this category are transfer proof, and this range also is transfer resistant. I won't say transfer proof, because if you're going to eat something oily or anything of that sort, it is going to come off and it would stay put on your lips for a maximum of 4 to 5 hours, not more than that. But this is really comfortable on your lips, so this is definitely worth it compared to any liquid lipstick, because first thing, this is not really going to stain your lips, and second thing, it's going to be really comfortable to wear. So I don't really have any problem in retouching it compared to this, because retouching this is a problem, and with this there's like no problem. It glides on really smoothly and it doesn't really dry out my lips or make them look cakey. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch more from me, I usually do makeup, sometimes vlog and food as well, so you can watch more over here. And you can also subscribe by clicking the red button below, and make sure to tap the bell next to it so that you're notified each time I upload. And you can also subscribe over there. And with that out of the way, I'm gonna see you soon, so till then, take care. Toodles!